All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad maths problem. Okay, so this is let's have, this is 3 raised to power. If I factor out 3, I'm going to have 3 raised to power 3 in bracket of x minus x squared, okay, is equal to x squared minus x, right? Now 3 raised to power 3 is 27, so I'm having 27 raised to power x minus x squared, okay, is equal to what? X squared minus x. Now the problem is that this one is x minus x squared, while this one is x squared minus x. So for them to be the same thing, let me decide to multiply these people with minus 1. So I'm going to have that 27 raised power minus into x squared minus x, so that this time this is giving me this, and this time this is giving me this, okay, is equal to what? X squared minus x. Now they now look alike. I can say that let x squared minus x be equal to what? Y. So anywhere I see x squared minus x, I'm going to put y. So this is now 27 raised power minus y is equal to what? Y. Okay, so now this is going to be 1 over this. According to indices, to remove the minus is going to be the reciprocal. So this is 1 over, or according to indices, to remove this minus is going to be 1 over. So this is supposed to be 1 over 27 raised to power y, okay, is equal to what? Y. Okay, so this is 1 over 27 raised to power y is equal to what? Is equal to y. Okay, now having this, I'm going to see that, let me have that this is let me cross multiply. If I cross multiply, they can change position. I will have that 1 over y is equal to what? 27 raised to power y. Okay, now let me take this y to this side. That is multiplying both sides by 1 over y. So I'm going to have that 1 over y, okay, all raised to power 1 over y is equal to what? 27 raised to power y all raised to power what? 1 over y. Now this can cancel this. This can cancel. So I'm having 1 over y all raised to power what? All raised to power 1 over y is equal to what? 27. All right, now 27 can be broken down to 3 raised to power 3 again. So this is 1 over y all raised to power 1 over y is equal to what? 3 raised to power 3. Now you see that the same thing here is raised to power the same thing, and the same thing here is raised to power the same thing. So this implies that 1 over y is equal to 3. Okay, so we now have that if I cross multiply, I'm having that my y is equal to what? 1 over 3. So once I've gotten that your y is 1 over 3, it is now easy to get x. So we should not forget that we told them that x squared minus x is equal to y. So having that, it will now help us to solve it. So x squared, we told them that x squared minus x is equal to y. Okay, and I've gotten my y. So therefore x squared minus x is equal to what? 1 over 3. So if I multiply everybody by 3, I'm going to have that 3x squared minus 3x is equal to 1. Okay, so this one coming here, I'm going to have 3x squared minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. All right, so what do we do now? We can now solve this by either using factorization method of quadratic equation if it is factorizable, but if it is not factorizable, we can solve by quadratic formula. So using quadratic formula, we have that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, then everything over what? 2a. So this is now my a is this coefficient, which is 3. My b is this coefficient, which is minus 3, while my c is the last man standing, which is what? Minus 1. Okay, so if I substitute, I'm going to be having finally that x is equal to minus into minus 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 3 squared minus 4 into 3, then into minus 1. Okay, then everybody over 2 into 3. Okay, so I'm having that my x is equal to 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 3 times 4 is 12. 9 plus 12. Okay, so everything over what? 6. So I'm having that this is 3 plus or minus the square root of, this is what do we have here now? 9 plus this is 21. Okay, 21 all over 6. So that is that for that. That is the answer. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share, and then subscribe. Don't forget that that my x is equal to what? 3 plus root 21 over 6, or 3 minus root 21 over 6. So that is that for that. Bye-bye.